Alright, hey, let's take a picture of all of us.
Go.
Before and aftermath. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Turn. Yeah, kick it. It's pushing you back. Steve, it's pushing you back. Wave are higher. The winds are stronger, so it, I barely make a dent on the move with this kayak. That's a keeper. He cannot make it. I give up. But I barely move at all, if any. Just gotta... All right, we're here. It's gonna test out the water. Today is about 15 miles an hour, max at 22, maybe 30 miles an hour wind. Wave is not as choppy as it should be. 1.5, I believe. The highest. So we're gonna give it a shot again. I know not too many people are here, but there are some swimmer here. But you know, ready to do this. Guys, we're loaded up. It's one thing I forgot to do is I brought the extra camera, but I didn't bring the connector to here. What a bummer. So I can't use this angle. This one right here. No, I won't leave it out, you guys. Are you not? There's fish for everybody. We not together. That's it. No, we doing exercise. I'm not even bringing that. I don't want to bring too much.
I don't want to bring my pedal with it because I got nowhere to put it.
Yeah.
If I had the passport, I could shove it in front. I don't have that privilege no more. But I want to get over there and get close to the rock. I can't do that with the motor.
You got the reverse?
Yeah.
Is that a turbo?
Reverse. Yeah, turbo.
Son of a bitch.
So should be good today.
It should be good.
I'm about to take this foul out.
Yeah, go for it. Don't hold on to me. I'll be getting away from you.
Okay.
Alright. I'll wait. Yeah, I doubt it. You would never go without us.
Hell no. I'm scared as shit.
Alright, let's go. Let's go. Try the day. Alright.
You got food? Put the food?
Oh shit. Well, when we get over there, we'll set him up for a talk. I have no squid. That's it right there.
Yeah.
That's it. Good. Yeah.
The line, right? Just okay.
I got the line. I set it up already for you. Let me see what you got.
Some little snack on too, man.
Yeah, for sure. This guy got a trance. This is a beast trance. You don't need this. This is way. This one right here?
Yeah.
That's too big, bro. This is for fucking. Yeah. What are we doing? Look at this. It's a choppy day today, guys. We're going for talk. And it is 15 max at 20 to 25 miles an hour wind. But the wave doesn't look all right, hey, let's take a picture of all of us.
Go.
Before and aftermath. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright, before and after. Let's go. You good? Make sure you set everything. It's a hard knock life. Good, ready? Go.
Yeah, got it.
Okay. It's okay. You got it, Steve? gonna be a challenge for you, Steve. You got it? Get your feet up and go, okay? Ready? That's it, and paddle. Let's go, baby, paddle, paddle. Forward, 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 forward. There we go, keep going, forward, forward, against the wave. There we go. Normally we don't do it like this. Yep. Turn, 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 turn. Once we get off that, it's just a little choppy, that's it. But you'll be fine. You got it? Let's keep going until you feel like it's comfortable. It is high enough that you can put this on now. Again. Oh yeah, it's choppy. Yeah, kick it, it's pushing you back. Steve, it's pushing you back. That's why I said, get comfortable. Come on, baby. Let's go, go first. Use your hand first, okay? Let's go. Let's get out of the way. All right, kick your feet, kick your feet. You can use your feet now. All right. Steve, I forgot to give it to you. You know you're moving out, right? The wind is so strong. This is where we catch fishes. Between that rock. Oh shit, it moved fast. Come to me. I don't know how we're gonna do this, but here we go. All right. Huh? You have to take that out.
Yes.
Yeah, take that out from the top and tie that one and put the weight on the bottom. Just one hook. Hey, Steve, this way. Nelson, it's the other rock over there, not here. We're in the wrong area. We are done. Boy, my calculation is wrong today. This is stronger than I thought it would be. The current is much stronger. Wave are higher. The winds are stronger, so it, I barely make a dent on the move with this kayak. Nelson's over there with the Revo. He's cutting through waves. Steve, I think he's behind that big rock somewhere, which is a smart idea for rookie to stay low. I tried to call him, he didn't pick up the phone. Let me try to call him again. Anchored. And I didn't bring any anchor. Nelson, when you find a spot, anchor it. Yeah, turn around. I can't. Turn around. Anchor it, baby, anchor it, so we can hold on. Oh, big one. Nelson! Anchor it over here. Over here. That's a keeper. Yep. Showing up. He wasn't going anywhere. Got it. Small. I'll drop the small. Ah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Got me a keeper. Keeper. Oh, yeah. Got me one more. To the line of angel. Yep, that's a keeper. That's a keeper. Oh, it's gonna take a little bit to get home right now. I'm going against the wind, the currents, and the wave. Slow and steady. That's all I can do right now. I don't want to burn my leg out. This is definitely, you don't want to come out like this. Make a small error thinking 1 to 1.5 wave is okay. Technically it would have been okay if the wind didn't kick in. 15 miles an hour. This is where we at right now. Slow and steady. This is not an aerodynamic kind of kayak. It's slow. Got my one keeper and a skip. That's it, but I'm giving up. It's just too windy. All right. My buddy over there. Look at him. I think he's over there somewhere. He cannot make it. He cannot make it. The current's just too strong. Alright, I gotta kick in some turbo. It's not his fault. This is way too strong for a rookie. So all he has to do is pass right here, this corner right here, and then the wind will push it back that way. But this is the hard part right here.
He better ask for no refund.
No, he's done. Oh, he made it. He made it around the corner. Look at him. The poor boy. We come here for the rescue. Now we have to walk all the way back there. Oh no. Look at this. And we with Crocs. Trying to save his ass. Poor guy. Seasick and everything. Oh my God. All right, Cindy. Your man is alive. He's all right.